An seachtain seo táimid ag fécint an bríthar tóir, which means to give, and the theme of our spellings are bruntainous, presence.
So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir caite, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future.
Oh, Jesus. Red alert! Red alert!
Yes, it's an irregular verb, bríthar na bhrialta.
An aimsir caite. Hug me, I gave. Hug to, you gave. Hug she, he gave. Hug she gave. Hug a mar, we gave. Hug shiv, ye gave. Hug shiad, they gave. Hug, near hug. An aimsir láithreach. Tuggum, I give. Tuggin to, you give. Tuggin she, he gives. Tuggin she gives. Tuggin mid, we give. Tuggin shiv, ye give. Tuggin shiad, they give. An duggan, ní huggin. An aimsir áisteanach. Torhi me, I will give. Torhi to, you will give. Torhi she, he will give. Torhi she will give. Torhi mid, we will give. Torhi shiv, ye will give. Torhi shiad, they will give. An dorhi, ní horfi. Arrogant, money. Carta, card. Bruntainous, present. Dervon, voucher. Dumb, to me. Dit, to you. Do, to him. Dee, to her. Doin, to us. Div, to ye. Doiv, to them. Structure oberta, sentence structure. So as always, we start with the bríthar, the verb, tóir, followed by the subject, ábhar. Then we have our bruntainous, and then at the very end we have do after the present to say who we're giving the present to. So we use that réamhfocal do. Hug me arrogant dit, I gave you money. Huggin she carta doin dun nullig. She gives a card to us at Christmas. Torhi shiv dervan dum. Ye will give a voucher to me. August Tommy Dainta. We're done.